Hi Crafty friends, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. This is the third time I'm doing this video, so hopefully this goes smoothly because I'm about to go crazy. So anyway, this video is about my challenge that I'll be hosting. The challenge is going to start today, September 25th, which is my husband's birthday. I received the prize in the mail today. So it took about 3 weeks to get here, so I finally have it. So I'm really excited. And I'm excited to host another challenge because I don't think I hosted one this year because what happened? We packed up in March, and yeah, I stopped crafting for a while because we were in transition from one state to another. We enjoyed summer, and I just recently came back on YouTube. But anyway, so yeah, I think this is my first challenge for the year. So I'm pretty excited about it. And so for this challenge, I'm just going to go over the rules and what needs to be done. So first off, you must be a visible subscriber. This will be open to 18 years of age and older. It is open to US and international. However, if an international subscriber wins, you will not receive the physical prize, but I will give you a $50 PayPal friends and family, so like $50 to your PayPal account. So if you're international and you'd like to enter, just be sure you have a PayPal account so I can go ahead and gift you that money. To enter, you'll have to like this video and just comment down below that you'll be entering. I'll have my PO box in the description box below. I would like you to make a memorydex card. So the memorydex card can be any style. I wanted to represent you because that's, it's your memorydex card. And so I never collected memorydex cards before. However, I do have a few that I had received through prior challenges and through swaps and Happy Mail. But I just recently purchased the Heidi Swap, this Rolodex spinner. So now I have to look for those memorydexes. I have them. I know where they are. I put one in here that I found, but I want to start collecting them. And at first I thought I wanted it, like one color because I'm very anal about things like that. I wanted it all pastels, but then I thought, since they're making, I want them to do their style, represent their style of crafting. And so, yeah, I just want a memorydex card in your style. And then on the back of the card, just be sure you leave me your information. Like I would like to know your name, your YouTube name. If you have Instagram, your Instagram name, your email address, and like some of your favorites. Like I would like to know your favorite color, your favorite crafty style, your favorite crafty items, like your must-have items, your favorite candy, and your birthday. And the month and day is fine, so if you can have all that information on the memorydex card. Oh, and if you can fit your address on there, please put your address because so that way when I want to send out random Happy Mail, I can just go through my Rolodex and I'll have all your information on there. So most importantly, like just try to squeeze your address on there. So that's the memorydex card. And I also would like you to create a card, an A2 size card or bigger. And the theme for the card, I would like it to be either Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or birthday. And I would like the card to be blank. You can put a sentiment, like you can stamp a sentiment in the card, but I want to keep these cards because I'm going to use them. So if you can make a card with a matching envelope in any of those themes, that's another requirement. So far it's a memorydex card, a greeting card, and the last thing is a gift tag. So the gift tag can match the card or not, but I'd like it to be in the same themes, which would be Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or birthday. I prefer them to be coordinating so that when I do use it, I can put the gift tag on the gift and then it'll have the matching card. So that would be nice. But if you run out of your crafty supplies or the paper and you can't match it, that's fine. But preferably I would like it to be like a set. So that's all the requirements to enter. You'll need to do a video response for extra points. I'll give you 2 extra entries for a video response. If you post it on Instagram, you'll get another 2 entries. And how I do it is we don't, sometimes I do that random comment picker, but when I'm doing it by, the points and the entries, my daughter and I usually write everybody's name. So say, you have a total of 6 points. I'll write your name 6 times, and, we'll crunch it up and put it in a bowl or a package, and then we, shuffle it all around and we pick a name. So that's the method we're going to use since we're going by the points system here. So video response will be 2 extra entries. Instagram will be another 2 extra entries. If you wanted to make a set of 4 embellishments, any theme, I just personally don't really care for steampunk or vintage or like bright neon colors. I like, pastels, girly. I like shabby. So any theme is fine. That would be an extra 2 points. If you were to send, let's say, a loaded envelope, I'll give you 4 extra entries. If you want to send an embellishment box, I'll give you additional 4 entries. If you want to send a set of 4 treat bag toppers, I will give you an extra 4 entries as well. And if you want to send a set of 4 like treat bag die cutouts, because I like making treat bags, but it's nice to also have some on hand, like that's already cut. All you have to do is, glue it together. If you want to send a set of 4 treat bag die cuts, that'll also give you 4 extra entries. So it's, you have a lot to work with. You don't have to do all that. If you want the extra entries, you're more than welcome to do all of it if you want, or if you want to do 1, or you don't have to do any. It doesn't really matter. The extra points, that's just for you if you want the extra entries for the gift. But required is to like the video and comment that you'll be entering. I do want the memorydex card in your style. I do want the A2 card with the matching envelope and the matching gift tag. And so moving on to the prize, I want to show you, I recently purchased this, which is the Momenta Freestyle. And I purchased it because I like the fact that it's compact, because I do have the Sizzix Big Shot. I have the Big Shot Plus. I also have the Brother Scan and Cut, and I have the Gemini. But out of all the machines, I always go to like my Big Shot, and which I actually gave to my daughter, so she gets mad I want to use it, because she told me, she always tells me, you gave that to me. But that's the smallest, most compact machine that I have. The Big Shot Plus is good for like my bigger dies. So when this came out, I thought this is really nice and compact, and so I just wanted to show you. I'm sure you all seen it. It was on sale on Momenta's website for $79.99, I think, and then the shipping was, I think it was $5.95. And so I really like it. So I'm just going to do a quick demo if you all haven't seen it. So it comes with the base plate here. See, I don't have too much room here. It comes with the base plate, and then it also comes with the cutting plate, which I already tried it, and then it comes with the embossing plate here. So I just want to show you. So this is good for like your regular size dies, like if you're just making cards, nothing too big. It's really good, and I like it because I can actually bring this to work with me, and I'm going to put it this way because I need to roll it. And so I can just fold it up and take it to work and put it in a bag and do some crafting on my lunch. But so what you're going to do is you put the base plate. For this one, you have to put the die up, so I just picked this one here. You want the cutting part of the die up, and then you put the paper on, right? And then you're going to get the cutting plate. Then you're going to make your sandwich, and then you're just going to run it through. I mean, it's just like the my other machines. So then you run it through. Oops, sorry. And then you see, it cuts it really good. Where's my poker here? I mean, it cuts like butter. It's an awesome machine. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use it. Now I can take this in the living room and I can work on things while we're, everybody's watching TV. Even though they get mad at me when I bring my crafts in the living room, because my family says when we're watching TV, I should be watching the movie with them, not Crafty. But that's okay. So see, it turned out really well. It cut super easy. I asked Momenta if they're gonna make like plates, because you know how your plates get all warped and old, because I didn't see any additional plates that you could buy, and they said they're working on it, and so I don't know how soon they're gonna have plates, but I think they said the plates will last a long time, so I'm not worried about it. But anyway, so the prize is going to be one of these machines. I bought 2 of them. So this is my machine. And I have the other one here. I have not taken it out of the box yet, because this is how it's going to be shipped. So it's in here. It's the machine. It's really heavy. That's just my address and stuff. So this is the machine, the Momenta machine. So this is the prize. So I hope someone can get good use out of it. Even if you're not a machine user and you have a Cricut, or what is it, a Cricut or a Cricut, or like a Silhouette Cameo. I used to have a Silhouette Cameo, but I sold mine. And you don't use these type of machines. I mean, Christmas is around the corner. You could win this for, a family member, your bestie, a crafty friend, anyone. There's a lot of people who would love to have a machine like this. So just comment if you're gonna enter and let me know. I'm gonna leave all of the information and the rules down below. If I get more than, let's see, I would say more than 20 entries, more than 20 entries, I'll add another prize. If it's less than 20, this is the only prize. So, and I'll update, as time goes on. It's going to be open from today, September 25th, which is my husband's birthday. And I'll give it some time. So I think October 31st, I think is good. That's a little more than a month. So it'll end on October 31st. And I will... how do you say it? I will announce the winner. I'll announce the winner that weekend, which I'm using my phone. Hey Justin, can I see your calendar, please? I'm just asking my son to see his calendar. So let's see here. So October 31st, and so I will announce the winner on Sunday, November 3rd. So it's not postmarked October 31st. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? I take that back. Just in case international wants to enter. And I know a lot of people are busy because the holidays are around the corner. We'll make it that it has to be postmarked no later than October 31st. And then I will announce the winner on, let's give it a week, Friday night, Friday, November 8th. So I'll announce the winner Friday, November 8th. Postmark no later than October 31st. So be sure to share this challenge and like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to check. I am pretty responsive. I try to interact with my subscribers as much as I can. I know during the week I am kind of busy. It's a pretty hectic schedule with work and then getting my daughter from school and then coming home and it's dinner, homework, shower, sleep. So in the weekdays, I'm not as, I try to be, my YouTube is at night when she falls asleep. I just kind of go on my YouTube until I get tired, which is usually, I'm on there for maybe about 30, 45 minutes at the most, and then I'm done for the night. So most of my YouTube activities on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But I will get to your comment. I will also leave my email down below. So if you have any questions, emailing me is actually quicker because I do check my emails often. I mean, it's linked to my phone. So whenever I get an email, I get a notification. So that's another way to contact me. Other than that, I think I am good. I don't think I forgot anything. If I did, then I'll have to do this video all over again, which would be a bummer. But everything I said will be in the description box below. So I hope you all have a great night. It's almost the weekend. I'm excited. It's already been a long weekend. It's only Wednesday. 2 more days of work. I'm just excited. I just can't wait till Friday. TGIF. Next week I fly out to my grandmother's funeral. We're going to be going to Hawaii for my grandmother's funeral. So I'll be gone for about a week and a half. So that's in the plan next week. So I'll be off work for 2 weeks. I took some time off before we leave, and I took some time off when we come back because I'll need some R&R, because you know how that is. You need a vacation after a vacation. So I actually took 2 weeks off of work, even though we're only going to be gone for, I think, 8 days. But it's going to be some much needed rest because it's, you know, a pretty emotional time, and the time difference, I think it's like 5 hours. So, you know, getting adjusted back will take some time too. But I'm rambling on. I need to get going. So y'all have a great night. Happy crafting, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.